So before all the railway guys switch off, please stick around. You're going to like this one. Could be of help to you. Hi, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. I'm Roger. This time out we're going to dismantle a Corgi OOC 150th scale bus. Just for comparison, I've got a 00 gauge or 176 scale bus here in the foreground. It's suitable for 00 gauge railways. Let's take that one back a bit and bring in our subject for the video. This is a 150th scale OOC double deck bus, but they sit beautifully on O gauge railways. So pluck up the courage, guys. Stick around, learn how these models can be made your own with a few simple steps and a little bit of repainting. Now, in a previous video, I demonstrated how to take apart the Corgi OOC 150th scale Leyland Atlantine. These half cab models couldn't be any easier, really. 2 screws, that's all we've got. One here at the back and one just behind the front axle. So we'll undo those and see what we get. So that's the 2 screws undone. Let's lift up the chassis now. There it comes away. Back axle has just fallen off, but that doesn't matter. Out comes the interior. Lower deck